Hey guys, Rachel here. And if this is your first time buying an aircraft, I bet you're feeling a little bit something kind of like this. Finding your aircraft soulmate can be challenging, especially if you don't know where to start. I'm here to give you guys 5 easy steps to finding that perfect match.
Number 1, determine your mission.
So the first step to finding your dream man, I mean airplane, is to determine the difference in what you want and what you need, determining the mission for the aircraft. Some people buy the plane for pleasure and some buy it for business.
Would you like to buy a new aircraft or a used aircraft? How many seats will you need? How fast do you want to go? And do you want glass or steam panels?
Personal preference is usually the best way to decide.
Number 2, know your budget.
Next, you'll need to plan on how much you want to spend on your aircraft and make sure you stick to it. Deciding whether to go through a broker, an individual, or a dealer is another important step. But make sure you always allow for other aircraft expenses such as
pre-buy inspection, an insurance policy, hangar or tie-down rental, fuel and oil, and also parts and maintenance. Number 3, choosing the make and model.
So now that you've determined your budget and decided what equipment you're going to put in your airplane, it's time to go ahead and pick a make and model.
There are many different types of planes to choose, so please take your time and find that perfect match. Number 4, take a demo flight and research logbooks.
Much like a dating app, this is where you want to test the waters. You should definitely take your plane on a date in the way of a demo flight. Then you should make sure to research the airplane's history.
Make sure to thoroughly go through all the logbooks with a qualified mechanic. Number 5, financing options.
So now that you've swiped through every possible match and finally found your aircraft soulmate, there is just one step left. You can opt for a cash purchase, or you can explore all of the options that are available for financing.
If you find a plan that works for you, then congratulations, it's a match.
Here at US Sport Aircraft and Thrust Flight, we're ready to help you every step of the way. If you finally found that perfect match and are ready to become an aircraft owner, go ahead and give us a call or email us today. We're here and we're ready to help.